Any building project needs Manesar detail engineering survey services. These services entail a thorough site survey to collect precise data and measurements. The development of technology has improved the efficiency and precision of surveying. Using high-tech tools like likeDGPSand laser scanning enables accurate measurements and thorough site mapping. Engineers and designers use this data to produce intricate engineering blueprints and designs. As an industrial hub, Manesar draws a lot of construction projects. The demand for detail engineering survey services in this field is consistent, from manufacturing facilities to commercial structures. These services are beneficial throughout the entire project, not only at the beginning phases. The precise information gathered during the survey is utilized to establish the site's layout, construct the infrastructure, and guarantee that all prerequisites are met. In Manesar, SCON Design is a top supplier of detailed engineering survey services. They provide a variety of surveying services, thanks to their team of skilled experts and cutting-edge tools. These consist of construction staking, boundary surveys, as-built surveys, and topographic surveys. Additionally, they offer 3D laser scanning services, allowing for a more thorough and precise representation of the location. SCON Design's experience in a variety of sectors is one of the main advantages of selecting them for detail engineering survey services in Manesar. They have experience working on a wide variety of projects, including industrial, commercial, residential, and infrastructure. Because of their knowledge, they are able to comprehend the particular needs of each project and offer specialized solutions. Along with their technical proficiency, SCON Design places a strong emphasis on quality and client happiness. For any building project, Manesar detail engineering survey services are essential. To provide these services, a thorough site assessment is conducted in order to collect precise data and measurements. Surveying is becoming more accurate and efficient because of technological improvements. Precision measurements and thorough site mapping are made possible with the use of high-tech tools like likeDGPSand laser scanning. Then, using this data, engineers and designers produce intricate engineering blueprints and designs. Manesar draws a lot of construction projects because it is an industrial center. There is a continuing need for detail engineering survey services in this sector, from manufacturing facilities to commercial projects. These services support the project not only at the beginning but also all the way through. The precise information gathered during the survey is utilized to build the infrastructure, plan the site layout, and guarantee that all requirements are met. Leading detail engineering survey service provider in Manesar is SCON Design. They provide a wide range of surveying services with their team of qualified experts and cutting-edge tools. Topographic surveys, boundary surveys, as-built surveys, and construction staking are